Hi! If you are paying attention to the market, you have probably noticed that if the price goes up, people will buy less, and if the price goes down, people will buy more. So in this case, we conclude that the price and consumption are correlated. Now, more important than knowing this is what is the sign of correlation and whether the correlation is strong or not. Let's consider this example between the consumption of chocolate and the Nobel Prizes. In here, you can see a table where you have some data for Portugal, France and Switzerland. And you have the consumption of chocolate in the first column and then the number of Nobel Prizes. Now, in order to calculate the correlation, we have to multiply the distance of each of those numbers to the mean. So, for example, the mean of chocolate consumption is 7.1, and for Portugal that consumption was 2.9. Okay, so this number is negative, or this difference is negative, and in terms of Nobel Prizes, the average is 14.3, and for Portugal, we only have 2 Nobel Prizes. So once again, this difference will be negative. So remember, negative times negative yields a positive number. Now let's do the same for the other 2 countries. We have in here 6.7 minus 7.1 times 10 minus 14.3, and finally big Switzerland (31 minus 14.3). Now note that in France 6.7 minus 7.1 it's negative, and this difference is also negative, so we have positive multiplication. But in Switzerland, both values are above the average, so both of them will be positive, and of course the multiplication will be positive. So we are summing up positive numbers, and in the end we will divide by the standard deviation of each of the columns. Now you have seen the variance. Well, the standard deviation is just the square root of the variance, which in this case is 3.6 and 12.2 for Nobel Prizes. So if we are dividing a positive number by a positive number, we conclude that we have a positive correlation in here. Moreover, the final value will be 0.98. That is, since it's almost close to 1, if a country increases the consumption in chocolate in 1, it will also have 1 extra Nobel Prize. How amazing is that?